Today we're talking about how to set up self-directed teams. Well, self-directed teams have been around for a long time, and you may have participated in one yourself. I know I've seen some and participated in some that have worked better than others. And many corporations have their own guidelines for the teams that they set up for self-directed teams. So today what I want to do is give an example of what one looks like, and then I want to talk about some characteristics that really make them work. So an example of a self-directed team is there's a specific project, and then you have different departments that are contributing or represented on this project. For example, you may have a department called Consumer Products. You may also have the Information Technology Department, maybe even the Marketing, the Legal, and Customer Service. So they're all collaborating on this specific project, and maybe they're working together to develop a new product, maybe they're initiating a product launch or designing a process. So with the self-directed team, each team member contributes their specific expertise with the team, and then they all learn from each other. Then they meet regularly to discuss the status of the project. But here are the characteristics that are found that are required to succeed. So there are four. So the first one is joint responsibility. So each person has a responsibility for their area or their domain, and then they all are fully invested to contribute towards the success of the project. There's interdependence, so they all rely on each other, and they've got to trust that each one is going to complete and deliver their work product as scheduled, so they won't impact negatively the others. So there's also empowerment, which is really important, and what this means is they can proceed without having to go through and get special approvals from committees and upper management. Then they all are working towards a common goal for that specific project. So these are some of the characteristics that can make self-directed teams work. And if you need a tool to help with your self-directed team, then sign up for our software now at projectmanager.com.